What's up, my pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over a very slim, non-yellowing Magsafe clear case from the folks at FNTCase. This is an awesome polycarbonate case that's going to give you protection from the elements. It's got durable Magsafe magnets and cutouts here to be able to support your active lifestyle. Made of non-yellowing material, this plastic case is going to allow you to be able to see the entirety of your anodized aluminum, which is really sleek, while still giving you access to Magsafe. With that said, this case was provided to me complimentary from the folks at FNTCase, and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, review the case here for my blue iPhone, and show you here what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing is very straightforward from FNTCase, making it easy to be able to hold it in there. And what's awesome too is it does come with a tempered glass screen protector. With that said, the backside here does have this little plastic protection that does have that same blue color as the anodized aluminum blue that I opted into. Polycarbonate around the edges here, going to give you that rugged protection here, allowing for scratch resistance as well as cutouts there for your IO, camera control, and it does have a lip up here for your camera plateau. You can see the Magsafe magnets and the clear case around the edges and protection on those high impact areas, which I think is a nice welcome gesture. Placing it into the phone, really easy to be able to do. As you can see here, it does press fit into there. It's not going to be able to impede on your screen, but when it goes on its face, it is going to be able to protect and not scratch the screen necessarily. Off camera, I placed on the screen there, and I think it's really nice to be able to have there as this all-around protection from front to back. You can see the backside there is really sleek. It does have a cutout for your camera plateau, and then it's got that blue highlight there with Magsafe. That's nice. You can throw on this Magsafe battery. It's going to hold on there no problem, giving you Magsafe charging, which I think is nice. You can also throw on another peripheral like a wallet there if that's something you're interested in. With that said, I think this Magsafe shock-proof case is fantastic. It's great to be able to add into your daily carry. I think it's really nice to be able to have a clear phone to show off your anodized aluminum while still being able to protect your phone. And then the best part is it comes with a tempered glass screen protector to give you scratch resistance and then all-around sense of comfort. With that said, the folks at FNTCase did provide this to me complimentary, and they sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here. It helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.